Welcome students, I am Darshana Sandeep Shinde from Wag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today, in this session, we cover some features of the tablet. So, let's start our session. Tablets. Today's lecture's learning objectives are students should be able to understand the concept of the tablet, advantages and disadvantages of the tablet, types of the tablet, tablet excipients, manufacturing process and tablet coating. Let's understand the concept of the tablet. Tablets are compressed solid unit dosage forms containing medicament or medicaments, usually circular in the shape and may be flat or biconvex. Or tablet is defined as a compressed solid dosage forms containing medicament with or without excipients. These two concepts are very popular, or definitions are very popular along with the tablet. Next we can see the advantages of the tablet. In that, tablets are easy to administer, then easy to dispense, more stable, accuracy in the dose, and then bitter and nauseous substances can also be easily dispensed in the form of the tablet. These are the light and compact and economical. Sustained release product is possible by the enteric coating. Then disadvantages of the tablet. In the disadvantages, problem with the compressing to the crystalline drugs. Then hydrophobic drugs is the major problem. Then drugs with low or poor water solubility. Then cost of the production because of the coating and encapsulation. Then last one is the swallowing is the major difficulty especially in case of the children's and unconscious patients. Then we can see the types of the tablets. There are majorly 4 types of the tablets. Tablets ingested orally, tablets used in oral cavity, tablet administered by the other routes, tablets used to prepare the solution. Tablets ingested orally, in that first one is the compressed tablets. As the example of this is paracetamol tablet, then multiple compressed tablets. Then third one is the delayed release tablets, that is enteric coated tablets. Then fourth type of tablet ingested orally, sugar coated tablet. Example of it is multivitamin tablet. In tablet used in oral cavity, in that the first one is the buccal tablets. Example of this is vitamin C. Then in a second type of tablet used in oral cavity, that is sublingual tablets, Vicks, menthol, etc. Then third type is the troches and lozenges. Then fourth type of tablet used in oral cavity is dental cones. Third major category of the major type of the tablet is tablets administered by the other route. Their first one is the implantation tablet, that is example of its testosterone. Then vaginal tablets, example of its clotrimazole tablet. Then tablets used to prepare the solution, in that effervescent tablets, example of its aspirin. Then dispensing tablet, example of its enzyme tablet. Then hypodermic tablets. And last is the tablet triturates. Enzyme tablets is the example of this. These are the different types of the tablet. Then we can see the excipients in the tablet formulations. There are number of excipients. Amongst the first one is the diluents. Diluents are needed to added to increase the bulk of the quantity when the medicament is very small form in each tablet. Example of it is lactose, sucrose, sodium chloride, dextrose, starch, etc. Then second one is the disintegrating agent to break the tablet into the smaller particles when swallowed. These are acted by the 3 ways: swallowing, producing and effervescing. Example of it, disintegrating agent is potato maize, wheat starch, etc. Then granulating agents, these provide the moisture to convert the fine particles into the damp mass after passing through the sieves. Example of this, starch paste, acacia, tragacanth, isopropyl alcohol, etc. Then next one is the glidants. Glidants to improve the flow property of the granules. Example of the glidant is a magnesium and stearate. Then lubricants. Lubricants to reduce the interparticular friction during the compression and between the tablet and dye wall during the ejection of the tablet. Example of its talc and magnesium stearate. Then next excipient is binding agent. These are provided to strength to the granules to keep the tablet intact. To keep the tablet intact, we add the binding agent. Example of it, gamma tragacal, methyl cellulose. Then next is the adsorbing agent. These are used to absorb the volatile oil, liquid extracts and tinctures. Let's prevent the sticking. Example of it, magnesium stearate, stearic acid. Last one excipient is colors, flavors and sweetening agents. All coloring agent must be approved by the FDA. Two forms of the color specially, FD and C and DNC dyes are used for. These are the different excipients which are used in the tablet excipients. Then next, manufacturing of the compressed tablets. In the manufacturing of the tablet, there is a preparation of the granules. There are two methods of preparation of granule. First one is the wet granulations. There are some steps involved in the wet granulation. These are the weighing the blending ingredients, preparing a dam mass or dam powder. In this, screening of the dam powder or dam mass into the pellets, then granules. Then next one, drying the granules. Then sieving the granulation by dry screening. Then adding the lubricant and blending. Forming the tablets by the compressions. These are the steps involved in the wet granulation. This one is the diagrammatic representation in the wet granulation. In this wet granulation, first one, drug is grind, then blended with the suitable adjuvants. Then agglomerate is formed with adding some liquids. After that mass is passed into these pellets, after the passing through these pellets, these are dried, and then dried particles are screened off, and these are again blended with the suitable lubricants and passes to the compression machine for the tablet compression. Then we see the dry granulation. In the dry granulation, by the dry granulation method, the powder mixture is compact in a large pieces, subsequently broken down or sized into the granules or sieve into the granules. Okay. Then this one is the dry granulation chart. In this dry granulation chart, we see the drugs. First one, drug is grind, then blended with the suitable adjuvants. Then pellet formation is there. After pellet formation, these pellets are crushed down, and this crushed granules or pellets is screened off, and then it is sent to the blending. In that added a suitable kind of a lubricant, and then this mass or these granules are pressed for the compression. Okay, this is the flow chart of the dry granulation. There is a major problem associated with the dry granulation, that is slugging. Slugging is nothing but there is a formation of the slug or a dam mass about 1 inch in diameter. To overcome this problem, these slugs are broken by the hands or by mills and pass through a screen of a desired mesh sieving, or a suitable lubricant is added in a usual manner, that tablet prepared by compression. And the example of this is aspirin. During the formation of the aspirin, there is a slugging, and this can be overcome. Then next one is a compression of the granules into the tablets. Tablet compression machine consists of hopper for holding and feeding the granulation into the compressed. Then second, die that defines size and shape of the tablet. Then punching for the compression, the granulation within the dies. Then cam tracks for the guiding the movement of the punches. Then second last, feeding machines for the moving the granulation from the hopper into the die. And last one is tablet ejector. Then we see the types of the compress machine. There are two types of the compress machines we use. the single punch machine and multiple stationary machine. This is for the single punch for the laboratory scale only use, multiple for the industry scale. This is the diagrammatic representation in that the how one tablet can be filled. See in that this is the diagrammatic representation of multi-stationary rotary press. In that thousands of tablets are formed one at a time. These are the main rollers, these are the dies, and here the drug can be placed. After that we see the tablet coating. Before seeing, we see the some reasons why tablet coating is necessary: to mask the unpleasant taste and odor, to improve the appearance of the tablets, to prevent the medicament from the atmospheric effect, to control the site of action, to produce the sustained release product. There are three types of tablet coating: sugar coating, film coating, and enteric coating. First we see the sugar coating. Steps involved in the sugar coating. First one is sieving. In the sieving, the compressed tablets are sieved with the help of the sieve and fine particles are removed. Then sealing. Sealing is done. In this sealing, film coating is over the compressed tablet to avoid its water solubility. Then subcoatings. In the subcoating, several sugar syrups are sprayed with the gelatin and tragacanth powder, and after that subcoating there is a third or next step, that is the syrup coating. In the syrup coating of syrup is done. After that finishing is done with the polishing pan, and the last one is the polishing. Then film coating. In these tablets are coated by a single or mixture of a film forming polymers such as methyl propyl methyl cellulose, hydroxymethyl ethyl methyl cellulose, PEG 400, carbovaxes, etc. These are the agents which are used in the film coatings. Then it is also used to make the tablet waterproof before sugar coating. Film coating may be enteric or non-enteric type. Then last type, that is the enteric coating. These tablets are coated with the material which does not disintegrate into the stomach but passes through as it is, that is in enteric polymer. Example of it, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose phthalate. These tablets are dissolved in the intestines. These are very site specific tablets. Okay, thank you for listening me. If you like the video, you should press the like button. Thank you very much.